really very much a feminist. The one piece of information that I gave my daughter, or advice that I gave my daughter, that she tells me she listened to. All the other advice I gave her, she didn't. But we were in Belgium at the time, and I had known a couple of people, one in particular, a friend of mine in the States, who was married to a man she really didn't like and didn't love, who was difficult. She had a small child, and we would sort of, our children were the same age, and we'd push the carriages, and she'd say, if only I could leave Alvin, but I don't know where to go, and I don't know how I would support myself. So, you know, and I would be in the same situation. If my husband hadn't been as wonderful as he was, I would have been up shit creek, excuse me. But I told my daughter when she was about 14, I said, whatever you do, don't become fiscally independent before you marry anybody. Be independent financially so that you're free to do what you want.